Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Raihan Teaches, and today I am going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp software in your PC. So I'm going to go slow, so feel free to follow up. So first of all, I'm going to click the search option here and I'm going to type in Microsoft Microsoft Store. So this is the Microsoft official store where you can download and install apps and softwares for your PC. So I'm going to click on this. So now that your Microsoft Store is open, you can see this is the store. There are tons of softwares and apps here. So now I'm going to in the search option and I'm going to type WhatsApp. So you can see the WhatsApp icon here and click on that. So this is the WhatsApp's official software for the PC. Now you have to click on get. As you can see, the software is preparing to download and installing. So after this slider goes here, the software will be installed in my PC. Let's wait a bit. Now you can see my notification WhatsApp has just installed. Click here to open and there you go, the WhatsApp is open, WhatsApp software. So now you can use WhatsApp on your PC with the WhatsApp software and you just have to log in with your phone number. So that's all from today. Have a good day and be sure to like and subscribe.